How to activate debit card on Wells Fargo. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to activate debit card on Wells Fargo. So first thing, just head over to wellsfargo.com from any of your favorite browser and make sure you're signed into your account. And once you're successfully signed into your account, it might ask you for your security verification, so you just have to provide or choose any one of these methods where it will send you a 6-digit one-time code with your either phone number or your mobile number. So just choose any one of those and simply enter the code that was sent to your particular number and simply click on next or continue, and then you shall be redirected to this home screen or this page where you can easily tap on this everyday checking button over here to get to this page where you can actually see the activate card option right over on your right side of your PC screen. So just tap on this activate card button over here. Once you tap on your activate your debit card option, you need to enter your PIN, and if you ever forget your PIN, you can just tap on I don't know my PIN link to successfully reset it. And once you do all of that, just tap on this activate my card button at the bottom right of your screen. So once you successfully tap on that, you should have successfully activated your new debit card to your Wells Fargo. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.